Dudhwa Tiger Reserve is famous for the big five. That is the rhino, the elephant, the barasingha, the crocodile and the tiger himself. But we have beautiful biodiversity of other life forms as well. Today we went for a butterfly trail. This is a butterfly hotspot, this area, and we spotted so many butterflies and other insects and spiders. It was an amazing experience for the campers. And look at the interest they are taking. So they could understand that the mobile can be used for scientific study as well.